How to change your Cash App password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Cash App password. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. The first step is open up your Cash App and then make sure that you're logged in. After you've done that, tap on your profile icon that is on the top right corner. After you tap on it, you should be on your profile and the settings options as well. So after you're here, you'll need to head over to privacy and security. If you don't find your privacy and security right here, you can scroll down and you'll find it really easily. After you do that, you can then head over to your security and privacy, and right there you'll find an option called change cash pin. It's under the security section. So after you tap on change cash pin, you'll have to enter your original or current cash pin. And after you do that, you'll need to enter your new cash pin. After you've done with the confirmation, your password for your Cash App will get changed. And it's basically that simple, guys, and that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.